Guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset parental control pin if you forget it in Google Play Store. You do not remember the pin that you use for your parental control. How do you get about this? What you need to do is go to your Play Store. Don't open the app, just long press on the app and you're going to see app info. Click on app info. Once you click on app info, click on storage and cache, and this is it. Just click on clear cache. Once you click on clear cache, and it's going to automatically clear the cache for you. You can see, just take a little seconds. The cache has been cleared now. Or you can also go to your settings, go and find apps. Once you find the apps, search for Google Play Store, and you can go and clear the cache there. Now what you need to do is open your Play Store back. Once you open your Play Store back, let's go and see our parental control. Click on your how, click on your settings, and click on family. Click on parental control, and you're going to see you can just turn it off here and just sorry for that. We need to go and do it again. It says let's go and check. It's supposed to turn off automatically. Okay, so let's go and do it. Need to click on this. Okay, let's clear the storage. Yes, click on delete app data. We have cleared everything. Now let's go back. Sorry for that, guys. Once you click on it, let's go and open our Play Store. Once you click on open our Play Store and go and check if our parental control is still on or off. So sorry for that, guys. Okay, so I'm going to click on my arrow. Once you click on it, click on settings, click on family, and you can see our parental control is off. So what you need to do is clear both cache and clear the storage, and it's going to off it, and automatically it has off. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.